World famous foods and arugula salad. I'm not a doctor, I just give advice. Let's do this. Alright, so this video of course was asked for by Ron Daniels and his wife Melanie, because he said they've been doing salads and for some reason just can't find the right one. So we're going to be starting with our arugula in here. You know, of course, you got vitamins A, C, and K. Lots of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. And we're going to add to this our cherry tomatoes. As you know, tomatoes prevent cancer if you do it right. Help with our bone health, heart health, lots of potassium. And we got some feta cheese. Stuff is all healthy stuff. I keep telling you guys, I'm not a doctor, I just give advice. Okay, some feta cheese in there. Now, the feta cheese, of course, got lots of salt. That's why we're not going to add any salt. But to this, we're going to also add some pine nuts. Because pine nuts, of course, helps you increase your energy. It's got lots of protein, lots of iron and magnesium. Good stuff here, folks. Good stuff. And then, to top this off, we got some homemade balsamic vinaigrette dressing. Just mix this up. Okay, Mr. Daniels, here you go. Got your salad, buddy. Can't go wrong with this. Again, world famous foods with another healthy recipe.